Safe operations. Personal safety. First, make sure that you have proper personal protective equipment for all of the workers that will be using the Ring of Fire kiln. At a minimum, you will need heat-resistant leather gloves, non-flammable clothing made of cotton, wool, or Nomex, and good sturdy boots. Especially when the Ring of Fire kiln is new, watch out for sharp edges on the steel panels and always use gloves to handle them. Use situational awareness to avoid trip and fall hazards. This is a real danger when working on uneven ground that is littered with woody debris. Working around a hot kiln can be dehydrating. Drink plenty of water. Ensure that you have proper tools available for managing the burn, including rakes, shovels, and a water source. Fire safety. Pay attention to weather, wind, and relative humidity, and only burn during fire-safe conditions as determined by your local fire authority. Pay attention to where you set up the Ring of Fire kiln. Make sure that the area around the kiln is clear of flammable material. Short green grass is okay. Check to make sure there are not low-hanging branches above the kiln that could ignite. Place your feed stockpiles upwind of the kiln to ensure your loading zone is not in the hot zone downwind of the kiln. If you are burning very dry fuel on a dry, hot day, keep the loading rate slow to ensure flame does not create too strong of a heat funnel. You can also mist the fire with some water to keep it under control. Constantly observe the outside of the kiln to quickly douse any partly burned branches that may fall out of the kiln. Leaves that are still attached to branches can burst into flame and escape the kiln, possibly creating an ember that can ignite a fire. Ensure that your water source could reach the downwind side of the kiln in case of an emergency with dry fuels igniting downwind. When quenching, make sure to open up the kiln on the upward side to ensure that when you're quenching, the steam blows away from the crew raking out the biochar.